Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable voice memos to refresh data on the background on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, scroll down and then tap on Voice Memos. Next, in here, tap on Background App Refresh. Tap on the toggle button to turn off Background App Refresh. This will stop voice memos from refreshing data on the background. Otherwise, you can turn this on and it will be able to update the voice memos on the background. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.